Another heavy load, people.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be.
What up, people? Check this out. While everybody's looking left, you need to be looking right. You need to prepare yourself. I'm going to give you guys some insight of something that nobody's even thinking about right now. If you guys have things that need to be fixed on your credit report, dispute it now. When you see all these credit repair companies, like there's one of them called creditrepair.com. If you guys don't know how to do it, you guys can hire something like that. But how this stuff works when people fix credit is this. They mail out or send out dispute letters. The bill collector or the person you have an account with, they have to respond within 30 days and prove the late or whatever is on your credit that's bad. And if they don't dispute it in 30 days, they have to, by law, take it off your credit. Once it's taken off your credit, they cannot put it back on when things get back right again. Most of these companies, most of them are working at home. They're not thinking about dispute letters. So when you send all that stuff to the companies, guess what? Your credit's going to start getting fixed. Get that credit right, get it tight. Because like I told you before, cars are going to be getting best deals ever. The house market, if you can never afford a house, it's going to be crashing and be really low to where you can be able to buy a house. But look, people, get ready now. Get ready now. Get that credit ready now. Don't wait. It don't cost crap to go to Credit Karma and throw out some dispute letters. If you don't have time to do that, then like I say, spend the $100, go to creditrepair.com and let them do it. When it's all over, you'll be shining. You'll be in a better situation instead of sitting back being all bruised up. Just make sure through these hard times, guys, that you guys go to a place to where you can get your money. So remember this message, people. Get that credit fixed now. You might not have another opportunity like this. Don't wait. Don't watch. Get it done. Thanks for watching, guys.
Look at me, bitch. Look at the way I carry myself. Look at the way I'm winning. Look at this liquid around my neck. Look how they shimmering. Look at this strand I'm smoking. Look at this bottle I'm holding. Look at my life. Look how I'm playing to feel like I'm rolling the dice up under casino lights. Luxury automobiles and sports cars with loud pipes. Detachable steering wheels, muscle cars, and scraper bikes. Some of my niggas push pills. Some of them push that cha-cha. Some of them work for a living to make an honest dollar. And here's another thing I thought that you should know. I'll make a hoe stand outside forever like a scarecrow. I'm a bay nigga, that's affirmative, ain't no arguing. Nigga, you soft as table butter, margarine.